I chose to be very conservative as far as what I wanted to choose so that I can build myself to a place of getting a house, because that's always been my goal, is to pursue home ownership. In order to do that, I knew that I needed to be smart with where I was going to be living as far as the apartment's concerned. So I am in the process of doing my walkthrough through my old apartment. I'm out of breath because I just went up 3 flights of steps with all the stuff, but this is my 1-bedroom place that I was staying in. Humble beginnings. I've always lived by myself when I decided to move out of my mom's place. I've never had a roommate, except for one time in college. That was just 2 semesters, but when it came to getting my own spot, it's always just been me. I'm gonna show you what this bathroom looks like. I cannot wait to go to my new place. So I just wanted to show you all what it was looking like when I was living solo dolo. Well, yeah, it's a very bittersweet moment. I'm very proud of myself and I'm just excited to take on this new journey of home ownership. And I just would really like this to be inspiration to everyone, that it is okay to start somewhere. It is okay to start small. Every place that I've had, I've only paid $425 in rent, and that included utilities and everything included. And I say that because it's, I could have easily bought me a more expensive apartment that was a little bit nicer in a better neighborhood. Now, it ain't like I live in the hood or anything, but you have your areas that have well-established areas by shopping centers and whatever you call it. But I chose to be very conservative as far as what I wanted to choose so that I can build myself to a place of getting a house, because that's always been my goal, is to pursue home ownership. In order to do that, I knew that I needed to be smart with where I was going to be living as far as the apartment's concerned. So I'm really excited, and I can't wait for you all to see my house. So we are headed to my house. I'm getting ready to close next month, and I'm so excited. My mom and my sister's in town, so it's gonna be their first time actually getting to see the showing. I'll keep you all updated.
It's still my birthday.
It's my backyard. Can't wait till spring, see some green. And some big trees too. So good morning. Today is Tuesday. It is currently 8 a.m. and we are headed to our final walkthrough. So today we're just going to verify that the seller took care of all the repairs that was on our list, and just see if everything's good to go so that we can close on Thursday. So I'm really excited. The end is near, so that makes me just really happy inside, because I'll tell you, buying a home is not an easy process. You could be as well prepared as you want, but just things can arise. So it's very important for you to keep your mental sanity. We started the process back in December, and it is now March. So we have been on this house hunt for a while now. So it's really a blessing to see that we'll be closing in just 2 more days. So I will keep you all posted. I'm just going to give a quick snapshot of what my surrounding neighborhood looks like. It's so pretty. Bedroom number 2. Bedroom number, this is 1. So this is going to be 5th. Here's another one.
It is exciting.
Here's the master.
We should have those done by the time that they have closing. I'm going to assume
This is the basement. It is finished. And this is where I'm going to build my studio, which I'm so excited. I can't wait to put the phone up. It's going to be so dope. So we just got the call to go ahead and close on our house. We are headed to the closing office. We actually just left Home Depot to get some stuff to help remodel, and we're just super excited. So I will be posting more footage as we go out through the process of signing and just all that good stuff. So I can't wait to go in depth with how we did it.
This is the privacy policy behind it. Congratulations, everyone. You're officially closed on the property.
Yay.
Let me get some copies.
So I literally just got off of work and I am headed to Lowe's to pick up a vanity light that I have ordered. When I tell y'all it is gorgeous, it's gonna go in our new bathroom. So our bathroom just got finished laying down the new porcelain tiles and it is beautiful, and you'll see more footage of that as well throughout the video. But I'm super excited because everything is coming together and we're almost at the finish line of the renovations being done, and then we can officially move in our house. So I made it to Lowe's and I'm here to pick up, as you can see, well, it's backwards, pick up a vanity light. When I say I have been living in Lowe's and Home Depot for the past month. Here's the light that I ordered. I'm vlogging. Sorry. So this is gonna go in the bathroom. Hola.
Hello, how are you?
Good, and you? I got the light.
Oh.
So this is what the office looks like. That's my husband. That's Tresser. He's helping work on the house as well. I can't wait till y'all see the before and afters. Bathroom. He installed a spotlight in the ceiling too. That's the master bedroom. And this is just a spare one. This is another spare one. Turned into an office space. He installed spotlights. He's getting ready to install one there. Bonjour.
Bonjour, comment ça va? How are you?
Bien. Yeah.
That's much better, right?
Yes. Cause I was like, he's tall. I was like, his knees gonna hit the hit the tub in there. So we're installing the toilet. So we are building a column for the island range oven so that the wires from the floor aren't exposed. My bathroom is coming along. Ooh, 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 ooh. Looks so pretty. It's almost finished. Ah! Cut. It's the sidewalk on the side of the house. Backyard. I'm not going to show you the porch because there's a lot of stuff that needs to be taken off. Alright. Front door. Living room. Spotlight constantly. That's a nightstand to the bedroom. There's the dining room light. It's our custom island that was built. Cooktop. Sink. Fridge. It's our custom mudroom with the spotlight. Bedroom number 1. This is gonna be the office space. Bedroom 2. Oh, this is all bedroom. This is our dresser. Closet. Bedroom 3. They're trying to figure out the locks on the door. It's gonna be the closet space for the towels and everything. This bathroom. Again. Hi. The vanity light. Shower. Cabinet. Shower. Come back out here. I'll take you to the basement. Actually, I'm gonna put on the light. I'm okay. All our stuff is in the basement. It's gonna be stuff for the spare bedroom. But I've already started building my studio. Here's some foam. So yeah, and once you get here, and then once everything is done, show you the finishing pieces. This is going to be our washroom area, put the washer dryer. This is just extra space. Don't know what we're going to turn it into. We were thinking about doing another bedroom. We'll see. I don't know. Garage. So today is April 29th and we are finally moving in. It has been an adventurous last 2 months. The house is nearly done being renovated and we're just about to move in our new furniture. I literally just got off of work, got him some food because I gotta feed him so we can finish moving in everything tonight. So, let's flip this around. Countertops just came. Oh, that's nice.
It's ready.
It is.
One more.
Think it's gonna work? Looks nice. It don't look like it.
Is that?
It looks like granite.
You do. I know somebody like to be great.
I know.
You see how it's shining? Like
Yeah. There you go. Okay.
You can go this way. Let's come this way.
Oh, it looks so pretty. It looks nice.
She's ready, boy.
Video since we got all of our, I haven't made a video since we got all of our furniture on the inside. So I'll show you what it looks like.